How to add link in Instagram bio on Windows. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in instagram.com. Press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Instagram account. Click on the profile icon that you can see on the screen. You'll be led to your profile interface. Click on the option Edit Profile. You cannot directly add the website through the web browser. For that, you'll have to use your mobile app. But you can add the link in the Instagram bio. Click on the field of bio. Now over here, what you have to do is enter that link. For example, I'm just going to copy my Facebook account link. If you want to copy the link, you can press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Go back to the Instagram. Now in the bio section, press Ctrl V in order to paste it. Now after you add the bio, what you have to do is scroll down. Click on the option Submit. Now the profile has been saved. You can go to the home interface. You can open your profile. Now on your profile, the bio should be displayed. You can refresh it in order to see it. So like this, you can add link in Instagram bio on Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.